Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Among Us, but with a crossover of Squirtle from Pokemon. Basically, if you don't know what Among Us is a really popular, awesome phone and computer game, and obviously Pokemon is giant anime, obviously. So that's pretty much what it is. This is for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you will be able to do this. As far as what I'm using this, a Crayola brand marker. You can get these pretty much anywhere. I wanted to do it so that you can get this tool if you want. If not, you can draw in pencil. That's completely fine as well. Alrighty. We're going to draw a curved line over here for the top of the visor. The visor essentially the thing you wear. The crewmates have over their eyes or face, really. Curve down here over the front. I'm going to draw a line that mirrors this, but on that side. I'm gonna pull some lines in from the sides. curve line over here, and I always find the top of the backpack. You know, we're gonna replace the back. Kind of like a swirly tail. And so it's going to come out maybe the bottom part of the backpack somewhere. It's not really that important, but I'm going to go over here. Have difficulty with, and let me know what other tutorials you want to see. I'm trying to improve the channel all the time. So, uh, like I said, if you like cute drawings, absolutely go to the cute drawing ebook I have in the description. It teaches you how to draw cute stuff through proportion. It is one of the best, I think, resources if you're brand new to drawing cute stuff. And so just hit that up. That's in the description. It's completely free, and I don't know how long it's gonna be free for. I was gonna sell it originally, but then I just kind of put it out for free uh, to kind of help you out. That is it. I will talk to you in the next video, and we'll see you soon. This is